stands a gentle light. A child with no umbrella runs straight ahead, chasing the sun. A darkened skies, the world so wet. A mystic crush I can't forget. A country girl with candles glow. Even in rain, her smile shows. Some say raindrops carry goodbyes. Some see rainbows, curiosity and eyes. Through every drop a story grows, between the clouds and the world below. Rain, oh rain, wash me anew. Bring the skies the dreamers too. People sigh and hold their tears. Children's laughter dries the years. Rain, oh rain, let it pour. When it stops, there's a new world in store. Pockets full of tiny dreams, horizons far in silver streams. Humans clutch regret so tight. Children's hearts are pure and light. Through storm and puddles, life goes on. Even when the daylight's gone, rain will end, the sun will play. Another world awaits the day. Some say raindrops carry goodbyes. Some see rainbows, curiosity and eyes. Through every drop a story grows, between the clouds and the world below. Rain, oh